Okay, the fishing rod is what we're going to use in this installation, and essentially it's a flexible piece of fiberglass with a hook on it. We feed it up through the wall and connect the wire up above and pull it back down through. Okay, the fishing rod, my buddy's downstairs fishing it up through the wall, and like with any good fishing trip, it's much more fun and easier when you have a friend, a buddy. Okay, so he's fished it up through, and I can reach in. I directed him how to do it up further and stuff. And now we have it up through here. I'm going to connect the wire to. He can pull it back down through. Okay, we're pulling this down. We've got a couple sections up in the wall. The second section. Now we should be getting to the wire. There we are. We've got the wire looped down through. Okay, there we go. We got the wire down through. Now we can run the wire, pull as much wire through as we need to get over to the new installation, get over to the connection that we need.